As the new year approaches, Bengaluru City Police and traffic authorities are actively preparing to prevent traffic congestion and address issues related to underage drinking and prioritizing safety measures. Special arrangements have been made in key areas such as MG Road, Brigade Road, Church Street, Residency Road and St. Mark's Road, involving collaboration between the police and local pub owners. To enhance safety, over 600 CCTV cameras, some equipped with advanced technology, have been installed on MG Road and Church Street. Pub owners have received explicit instructions to prevent underage drinking, serve alcoholic beverages only after verifying identification, and take extra precautions to ensure the safety of women. Bengaluru Police Commissioner P. Dayanand has announced restrictions on vehicular movement, allowing only police and essential service vehicles between 8 p.m. on December 31st and 1 a.m. on January 1st around MG Road, Brigade Road, Museum Road, Rest House Road and Residency Cross Road. Furthermore, all events in the city, including those at hotels, clubs and pubs, must conclude by 1 a.m. An advisory has been issued requiring all hotels, clubs and pubs to maintain a record of customer details, including names, ages and phone numbers. Commissioner Dayanand emphasized that stringent action would be taken against reckless driving, drunk driving, racing, bike stunts and any action causing inconvenience to the public. To prevent accidents, vehicular movement on all flyovers, excluding the one leading to the international airport, will be restricted from 11 p.m. on December 31st to 6 a.m. on January 1st.
We are installing around 650 to 700 cameras in MG Road surrounding area. Around 3 kilometers surrounding areas we have already installed and implemented. And this Brigade Road, MG Road and Church Street areas all will come in live. We have set up control room setup. We have a control room setup here in Curzon Court, and we can able to monitor all the CCTV cameras. So we are implementing 8 megapixel. Some AI cameras are there. Some ANPR cameras also we are implementing. And this time, we are implementing that thermal cameras also. And the people who come with high temperature, we can able to find out. That technology we are implementing this time. Drone cameras also, we are using around 6 to 7 drone cameras, and all the areas 2 drone cameras will be there. Brigade Road 2, MG Road 2, Church Street 2 and some RHB Road also we are implementing. We are installing drone cameras and fixed cameras also, with the manpower, with the tripod and regular cameras also will be there. With zoom lens. We have our own people and as well as police officers also will be there. We both together is going to be monitored, and we have a walkie-talkie with us for communication. If anything happens, and definitely we will take on call. New Year is good only for good people, bad only for bad people. So if you are very decent and enjoy the New Year with family, it's well and good. And if you wanted to do some abnormal activities, you will be under trouble.
All the security measures have been taken. We have had discussions with the police, and we have also made some suggestions to them because we have been seeing the New Year's for a very, very long time. And we have made certain suggestions to the police which they are going to implement. It seems that everything should go safely and no untoward incident should happen this time. No, it is not. No events are organized over here. We don't have anything that will disturb the peace. And it's only the decoration of the street, and people come here to bring in the New Year. The cameras are installed here. This safety for all the safety, whatever measures have to be taken have been done over here. There's a lot of work that has been done by the police. There are going to be watchtowers here, and there's so many other measures that have been taken. That is the precautions, if the government wants the precautions to be taken, they have to be taken. There is no way it can be avoided.
Sir, New Year bandi ನಾವು ಈ 21 ಅಂಡರ್ ಏಜ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿತ್ ಐಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಿಡೋದು. 21+ 21 ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗಲಾಟೆ, ಈ ಹುಡುಗಿರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಈ ಮಿಸ್ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಚೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರೆಯೋದು, ಅದು ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
people of Bengaluru are going to celebrate this New Year also with a lot of enthusiasm and lot of activities. Keeping this in mind and keeping in mind all the previous years' experiences, Bengaluru City Police and Bengaluru Traffic Police have released detailed advisories for the benefit of the revelers who are going to celebrate this New Year. Basically, our intention is to ensure that all those persons who come out in large numbers to celebrate the New Year are not troubled or put to any inconvenience, either in terms of the infrastructure or in terms of by the others also. And at the same time, the revelers do not create any problem or disturbance or nuisance to the other peace-loving citizens of Bangalore. We expect and we request all the people to celebrate this New Year with restraint and in a celebratory mode, but with lot of restraint. As the English maxim says, your freedom to swing your arm ends where the other person's nose begins. You should understand your responsibilities also and do it in a very responsible manner. And the detailed guidelines would include many things. Basically, we have also discussed and conducted two rounds of meeting with the other departments, including BBMP, Vescom, Metro, BMTC, and Excise Department. Their cooperation has also been elicited, and they are also doing all their whatever necessary action is to be required from their side. They are doing it. Basically, from the police department, wherever such people's gathering takes place, be it in the CBD area of Bangalore city or important malls, clubs, business houses, and wherever the people gather in large numbers, police will be deployed there to ensure that the celebrations go on smoothly. And most important thing is that keeping in mind the last year's incident of nearly stampede-like situation at MG Road, Brigade Road Metro station, this year from 11 o'clock onwards, the MG Road, Brigade Road Metro station will be closed for people to enter. Those who come down, those who come from the train and get down there, they can come out, but nobody will be allowed to enter the metro station and to board the train from there. But people can use either the Kabarwar junction at Anil Kumble junction or the Trinity metro station to travel from MG Road, Brigade Road. It is hardly any distance from the Brigade Road junction. So this has been kept. This has been done specifically keeping in mind the last year's incident.
Advisory, sir. You said customers have to give a KYC.
Advisory, it's only an advisory, not that we intend to make it mandatory or anything. We have requested the hoteliers and others to keep they should know their customers who is coming there. Basically, most of the clubs and hotels will organize some mega events and they will be selling the tickets. So they should know their customers so that nobody creates any ruckus there and nuisance there, or if any such incident happens, we should be in a position to track them. And keeping in mind, we have asked them to collect some basic details about the customers who are coming there, and at the same time to check their age group and other things, so that underage children are not allowed to drink or participate in the events.
And how many cops will be totally on duty at that?
The entire Bangalore City Police Force will be used, both police, the LawAndOrder police, traffic, CR, CCP, and all the other officers and staff will be deployed. More importantly, a lot of officers and men will be, including women, will be in civis to keep track on the mischief mongers and nuisance creators.
And COVID infection is also spreading in.
As far as COVID infection is concerned, we will go by the advisory which is going to be given by the health department. There will be no advisory issued by the police department regarding COVID.
So with regards to the KYC that you're collecting, how do we ensure that they are actually accurate numbers that are collected by?
It's only an advisory, that's why I said it's only an advisory. The owners, they have to take some due diligence in that.
Will there also be high quality CCTV cameras that you are requesting?
CCTV cameras have already been installed at most of the junctions in Bangalore city. We have nearly about 230,000 CCTV cameras under various schemes put up in Bangalore city, including Safe City Project, PublicSafety Act, Mega City, and even the Smart City and other things. All these CCTV cameras, we have told our people to ensure that they are functioning and they are operational, and same advisories have been issued to all the shopkeepers who have installed the cameras under Public Safety Act. So every CCTV camera installed or functioning in the city will act as a policeman on the road with eyes and ears.
Thank you.
Have a safe and happy new year. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.